I got about 10 seconds to guess where I'm at. The vlog just started. Where am I? Sometimes you just gotta go for it. Go for whatever you want. Do whatever you want to do. Don't wait for nobody or anything. Don't wait at all. Just do it. Do it. Woo! This water is extra cold. It's January, we're in Miami, so it don't matter. We getting in the water. Man, we made it. You already know. So show them around, show them around, show them around. Y'all pick this shit, pick this shit. Okay. Oh shit. Can't forget about the lighter. Got the mirror, you hear me? Got the bathroom, cool little setup. Got the shower. Hear me? Y'all already know what's going on. Cool little spot for the guys. Got the beds, you hear me? Both beds. And we got the view. You already know, man. Gotta go down Wynwood. Oh this my man's Alejandro. Say what's up to the vlog, man.
What?
Say what's up,
vlog?
Yeah. You already know what's going on, man.
Well,
Say what's up. Say what's up to the vlog.
What's up, vlog? Nigga working. Oh shit.
Hey, man.
Them niggas that be slide. Them nigga, we the ones that's bring that shit. We got these fuck niggas out here jumping high. If we got that shit like we the army, bitch, I have your bitch. She pretty, bitch, don't fuck with how she land. She say, oh, Jordan, I don't think they want to bomb with us. 3 niggas hopping out with drinks, nigga, that's how they know. Telling niggas they trying to rip on blood, trick they fuck bitch. It's all crazy, shit, shit's gonna be by. That man got
Feliz año.
2026. We here. Uno.
I'm not that close. Happy New Year's, mommy. Happy New Year's. Go. Oh, actually, let me come here.
Vaya también están explotando también. No creo que no, que vaya también. Happy New Year's. Much love, 2026 New Year, gang.